Breaking news. 16 billion passwords have just leaked, including logins for Apple, Facebook, Google, and more. These are not old leaks. They're fresh, stolen by malware, sitting on hacker forums right now. If someone gets into your email, they could steal your identity overnight. That's why today we're showing you how to freeze your credit. It's free, it's fast, and it could save your financial life. Why you need to freeze your credit? A credit freeze blocks anyone, including hackers. It stops others from opening new credit lines in your name. That means no new credit cards, loans, or apartment applications, unless you unlock it. It's the most powerful, underused tool to stop identity theft before it even starts. And it doesn't cost a cent. Compare credit freeze versus lock versus fraud alert. Quick breakdown. A freeze is free, legally protected, and secure. A lock is faster, but may require paid services. A fraud alert warns creditors to verify your identity, but doesn't block access. Freezing your credit is the strongest protection you can activate yourself. I will show you how to freeze your credit. It'll only take 5 minutes. To freeze your credit, you need to contact all 3 major credit bureaus: Equifax, Experian, TransUnion. I will have those links below. Each bureau has its own portal. You'll need your full legal name, date of birth, social security number, current and past addresses, a photo ID like your driver's license. Remember, it only takes about 5 minutes per bureau. You'll set up a PIN or password to lift the freeze later if needed. You can also order free weekly credit reports. Don't stop at freezing. You can also monitor your credit for free every week. Federal law gives you 1 free credit report per year from each bureau. But right now, you can check every week at https://www. Annualcreditreport.com. No credit card, no trial, now trial. Just official access. Can I still build credit with a freeze? Yes. Your credit score will still grow while frozen. You can still use your current credit cards. Lenders continue reporting your payments. Your score updates based on payment history and credit usage. You will only need to thaw the freeze temporarily if you're reapplying for a new account. This is especially important for new immigrants or young adults starting to build credit safely. How to temporarily thaw your credit. Need to apply for a credit card or a loan? Just log back into each bureau and lift the freeze temporarily. Some allow you to set a date range or give access to a specific lender. It's fast, secure, and totally under your control. Do not forget to freeze your child's credit too. Do you know children are huge targets for identity theft? You can freeze their credit too, usually by mail with proof of guardianship. IT's a powerful way to protect their future. So let's recap. Freeze your credit today at all 3 bureaus. Check your reports weekly for free. Keep using your existing credit to build history. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. Hit like if you learned something today. And subscribe for more no-fluff financial protection tips. This video is for informational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial, legal, or professional advice. Always do your own research or consult a qualified advisor before making financial decisions.